Welcome to our Microsoft Excel trainings. Let's make a nice application with data validation and conditional formatting in our English version of Microsoft Excel. You can download this file from the File Friends List application we are working on, My Information, My Files. After logging in with your email address and password, click on My Information in the upper right corner of the screen and click on My Files from the list that opens to download the list application file. Let's delete My area here. First of all, let's clean this place and copy our representative values in the B store from here, transfer them to the side and remove the duplicate ones. Look, we select the representative values, and when we reach the border where we selected, we press and hold the right button, drag it down to J for example, and release it. In the window that opens, we can copy our data here by clicking Copy here. After copying them here, let's remove the repeating values. To do this, after coming to the Data menu, we will remove the duplicate values here by using the Remove Duplicates expression in the Data tab. Pay attention to the selection of the data field. After selecting Remove Duplicates, press OK and remove the duplicate values. Now let's bring our values here to cell H1 using data validation. Look, for this, we click on Data Validation in the Data menu again. From here, we click on Data Validation again. Select the list where it says Any Value, that is, where it says Any Value in the Allow section. Go to the Search section, let's go to the Source section, scan our data here and press OK. In this way, you can see that the names of the values are now included here. Now using conditional formatting, I select the entire table except the header to directly mark the name I have selected here. Notice that I didn't choose the titles. I started selecting from under the title. Conditional formatting from the Home tab. From here, New Rule. In the window that opens, we select the Use Formula option from the Face Formula section at the bottom and click on the Formula section and enter equals. I type B4 and press F4 from the keyboard. When you press it not once but 2 or 3 times, you see the phrase $B4 appear. This has to come. It is equal from here. Let's carry this value. I give my condition as our value in cell H1 here. Go to the format in the preview section below. From here, let's choose any of the formatting options you want. For example, let's select a light green fill from the fills and press OK. When you press OK again, you will see that the values of the selected name here are marked. Now if you click here and select Arda Ramazan, for example, Ramazan Sahin's values will appear in your table. For example, if you select Esenaz Yilmaz, you will see that only Esenaz Yilmaz values appear in this table. In this way, it is possible to mark the conditional values you want in your tables by using conditional formatting or data validation. We could have marked only this row, but the best thing to do is to mark the entire table. This is how we can use conditional formattings and data validation.